building the bike from the bottom up. And the first thing we're gonna install is the bottom bracket. It's a BB92, which means that it's 92 millimeters from one edge to another in width. And the bottom bracket we're gonna be using is this thing here, with the help of this tool. This is called a bottom bracket press, which is gonna help us put in the bottom bracket straight, because if not, the bottom bracket will make a creaking noise when you pedal. Now, my dad is cleaning the inside of the bottom bracket, and later, he's gonna start greasing the inside and put in the bottom bracket.
Yeah, we need to put a little bit of grease, a small layer of a thin layer of grease to make sure, you know, it's just an extra protections when you're dealing with bottom bracket, right? I'm using antifreeze right now. I think you can do this for aluminum metal. For carbon, you have to use a specific type of grease. You can't be using the same one. Okay, I am gonna put a similar amount of grease here on the outside of the bottom bracket to coat it so it goes in smoothly. Okay. Connor's gonna finish the inserting of the bottom bracket. It's going in nicely, as you can see. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Okay. It's going in nicely. Keep going. Going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. As you can see, the BB went in nicely. Everything works perfectly. There it is working. And we'll do the final cleanup later on. And now we'll install the non-dry side of the BB.
Now he's doing the same thing, cleaning up the inside, and later he's gonna put some grease and the bottom bracket.
I think that's good.
Wait.
That's it. No.
Oh, sorry. Tell me where to go.
What are you doing?
I'm screwing in the
chain ring, huh?
The chain ring to the pedal.
To the crank.
Or the crank, yeah.
Because we're about to install the crank. That's gonna be the next step. Connor is just tightening up the chain ring right now. We have to reinstall the screw, huh?
Yeah.
Because we got it backwards. What are we doing? What?
I'm putting the grease on
The crank
here,
spindle.
on the crank spindle here right now.
Yeah. Sorry about the lighting. It's getting dark. I think that looks pretty good, but
Yeah.
Yep.
Now this right here.
Go ahead.
Now I'm gonna put it like this.
Okay, I'll hold this. Make sure it goes in. Hang on. Oh, there you go.
There. So I'm gonna put the other side in here. There.
There you go. Okay. Now let's get the screw, the end screw. Just putting the end cap. Don't force it. That looks pretty good.
Pretty good.
Just need to tighten those two bolts and we're good to go for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, man. Look,
Thanks.